Get ready with me! Ano mga tayo guys? Of course naman, ang routine ko sa morning guys, ito yung gawain ko. Papaganda tayo guys. Hindi yan mawala. Pa-beauty muna tayo guys. Start our day, siniming din maingay dyan. Ano ang next guys? Sunblock tayo guys. Diba? Need to sunblock. Mawala. Sunblock natin sa face. Kahit different sa bahay. Diba? As you can see guys. Okay na yung face natin. Naka-sunblock na tayo guys. And then, the next one is cream. Another cream na naman guys. Kanina is sunblock yun. Ngayon is cream. Simple lang yan guys. Madali lang ang beauty natin kasi low budget lang tayo guys. O, diba? Yung naputi dyan. Ay, lagyan lang yan ng itim guys. Madali lang yan. No worries about it. Cherries. Diba? So, I think need lipstick. Ang lipstick ko is very pink. Nag-lipstick na ako una guys. I forgot to ano pa pala guys. To put a cream. Powder. Ayan, ang powder natin. Wala na kasi stocks yung guys. So, for this one muna ako guys. Proceed this one. Tapos, ang ko ngayon guys, damdam ko yung powder ko guys is parang look, tan man siya sa akin. A little tan lang sa face ko pag maglagay ako ba. Simpleng beauty lang tayo guys. Ang routine natin. So of course hindi yan mawawala. And every day talaga yan guys, no? Every morning. So afternoon din minsan mag-retouch pa din tayo guys. Lalo na pag pa ako. Mayroon ako mag-video pa ako guys. Mag-TikTok ba ako dyan or something So yun. And then I think I will blend this one. May I don't have a new guys lipstick so far. Pa naman, mahaba pa. May lip tint ako yung last. Hindi ko rin ginusto guys kasi masyadong red. Parang I don't like the color, something like red with it looks like maroon. So I like din if ever red. Bakit parang naano man siguro yung pump niya guys? Bakit man ito? What's your problem about that? Oh, yan. Ayaw maglabas guys. Pump natin. Iwan ko. Ano ba talaga yun siya? Solusyonan din natin yan guys. Para din yung skin natin. As you can see the difference from my face guys. So, hello guys! I'm here again! It's me, your Kalabs Joanne guys. Andito naman ako. Let's have merienda guys. Merienda time pa tayo guys. Kasi alam niyo naman guys, I'm always late. So, proceed to merienda na tayo guys. Wala nang anytime na lang yan ang coffee natin sa morning guys. Kumusta kayo guys? I hope you have a nice day and a great day, everyone. A great morning, afternoon, and evening. No, di ba? Advance na yun guys. Coffee pa guys. Ang sarap. Yummy. Pagkalamig. O, di ba? Kayo dyan guys, kumusta mga updates niyo dyan? Nag-lunch na ata, no? Ako guys, merienda pa. It's still good and fine. Thank you. Kasi nakapag-merienda pa tayo. Kahit papano. Kahit gaano ka busy guys. Still have time. Di ba? See you next again guys in my next video. Thank you so much. God bless. Keep safe everyone. Bye.